Hello, class. Um, we have had the wonderful opportunity to get Logos free for all of our students and for the rest of the school year, and actually through the end of May. And it is a really great blessing for us to have this opportunity to um, provide you a good library to do your research from. And so we want you to show, well, I want to show you how to get signed up for this. Logos is part of Faithlife, and you have to sign up for Faithlife first to be able to have access to all of this. So if you go to your and for the college email, go to your college email account and open up the email called Faithlife. And when you do, you'll see something similar to this. I have invited myself, I have a different account, a Gmail account. I've invited myself in that Gmail account, and it says that I'm inviting me, but Daniel Bear from the college account is inviting me from my Gmail account. So I'm going to click on Join Group here. And when I click on Join Group, it'll give me an opportunity to sign in. Now, I've already have an account. I've been messing with this quite a bit today. Daniel Bear at gmail.com, Dr. Daniel Bear at gmail.com. My Gmail address already has an account. So all I have to do is put my email in and my password. Now, once I do this, I can sign in. If you do not have an account with Faithlife or Logos, you need to click on Get Started and sign up for an account. Okay, so go through that process, and I'm going to click on Get Started just to show you. See, it tells you to sign in, and don't click these things where it says sign in to hear about news. Just put in your name, your email, and your password. Okay, don't click these, and then if you want to read the terms, you can, then click register. Or if you already have an account, it'll come like this, and you can sign in that way. But most of you will have to do a new account. Once you come into here, the Faithlife website, you'll see that the group name is up here, Southeastern Field Baptist College, and it says here, accept invite. So I'm going to click on that, so I will be accepted in as a member. We'll double click these three little things. It says you are a member, so I'm in good shape there. Now, once I am in here, this gives me access to some things that'll be very, very helpful to you, okay? It'll be very helpful to you when you have access to this particular page here. First of all, I want to show you the student landing page. See down here in the right-hand corner, we have a link. So I'm going to click on that. In fact, I'm going to right-click on it and open it in a new tab. And so I still have this page open. And if I go to that new tab, here is the student landing page. And this tells you about this free remote learning library that Logos is offering to seminary students across the country because of the coronavirus. And what a blessing that is. And so you can see what's being offered here, a number of different collections. When you sign up for Logos, you can sign up and get a free account, and you can have free access to certain amounts of books, totally free. But this gives you access to some commentary series. In this first one, some different commentary series from the Faithlife Publishing House. It gives you access to the classic scholarship collection. It gives you access, if you you can probably skip the education courses, to theological journals. It gives you access to a big commentary down here. So you have a lot of resources to try to, not try, but hopefully to find what you need for your paper. If you look down here, number one, sign up for a Faithlife account. You've already done that. We have invited you, and you wouldn't have gotten to this point if you had not signed up. So if you've gotten to this point, you can sign up. Join your school group. Again, you don't have to do that because we've already invited you. And then start using Logos. Now you have 4 different ways to start using Logos. One is if you already have a Logos account. So if you already own Logos, all you have to do is sign into your Logos and you should be good to go. You should be able to have access to all this new material in Logos. The second way is to download the desktop version of Logos. That's just number 2. Number 3 is to use the online version of Logos. Instead of downloading the program and installing it on your computer, you can do the online version of Logos, okay? And number 4, you can use a mobile app. Now, I would not suggest you do it on your phone, but if you want to play around with that, you're more than welcome to. iPad might be better, but you have that available to you, okay? So this landing page shows you all this great stuff and how to go. Now you have to decide what you want to do. So I'm going to say here, if you've never used Logos before, you can get started. So I'm going to click on this Get Started button. And this is going to take me to a page about Logos Bible installation software. Now, if you notice up at the top right-hand corner, I'm still signed in as Daniel Bear. If I down-click on this, I get this drop-down list, which also has download for PC and Mac, download for mobile, but it also has use on the web. So I could download the PC and Mac, which would take me right back to this page, and I could download I could pay for a base package, or I could download Logos 8 Basic for free, okay? But I can also go back up here and click on Daniel Bear. By the way, here's download Logos again, but I can click on Daniel Bear, my name, your name, click on your name, and click on Use on the Web, and look what happens. If I say Use on the Web, it takes me to this Logos page. So I'm going to sign in with just what I just signed in with the Faithlife. Same username and password. I'm going to sign in, and I'm right to now the Logos page, the dashboard. You might say, I don't know what to do with this dashboard. Well, I understand you don't. But I'm going to go back to the activity page. I'm back to the activity page of the college. And if you notice here, down here under recommended links, I have Logos Training. And if you click on Logos Training, it says it can't find the server. Well, that's lovely. Let's try it again. It still can't find the server. Okay. Let me try here. If I go to the student account, it says videos and tutorials. So I'll fix that link later. And when you go to the videos and tutorials, here is a wonderful set of different topics. You have Logos 8 training videos. You have mobile app videos. You have Bible study series. You have sermon prep series. You have an academic theologian series. It gets more and more and more complicated as you go through. I want you to start here with Logos 8 training videos and click on that. When you do that, there's some options. I want you to start with Get Started, and this will give you a series of videos. If I click on the very first one, Get Started, the video will pop up and I'm ready to click play and I'll play it. Now, I'm not going to have you look at it right now, but this is how you get started with Logos in.
Welcome to Logos 8.
And I'm not I'm not going to get started with that. So I want you to watch this Get Started video. Once you watch that Get Started video, if you want to use the app, this is your web app that we'll be using here. And I want you to watch that. If you want to install, if you want to do it online, okay? If you want to install Logos, I want you to do the installation. You could look at that also. And once you install it on your computer, you would be able to use it from that. So I want you to look at that. So that's one way or the other. And then I also want you to look at logos for beginners. So this will take you about a half hour to get through these videos, but these videos will be a big help to you as you're getting started with logos. Okay, so we go back to the where we are in logos to actually start using it. And you say, well, how do you use it? Well, up here I can just type in a passage or a search item. So if I want to search for a passage like John 1:1, I do that, and there it is. And over here to the right is a commentary that's free, that's already there to use. All right, a commentary that's already there to use. If I want to look up a subject like depravity, I can click on that, and I get some sources from the Bible. But if I click on all resources, I get from all the resources that are in my library, I get all kinds of different, and if I keep going down, I will get a lot of different options in that. And as you go through the videos, it will help you to sort these out, to look them up, to figure some things out, and to be able to find what you want if you look through the videos. Logos is not extremely easy to use, and I do hope that you'll be able to figure this out. Now I can look up here, and these are the library of the different sources that I have available to me, and there are a tremendous amount of resources here that you'll be able to use now since you are a member of our group, and since we have all these free stuff. There's just a lot of things that are available here in Logos. There's tremendous amount, and boy, you could take forever just looking through this material. So I hope that you'll be able to do that. If you find one that you like and that you want to use, and you want to just kind of keep it as a close guideline as you go along. Let me just type in the word Calvin. Okay, and these when I type that in, I get a bunch of stuff on Calvin. All right, if I grab, say, this one here and pull it up here for a resource, then I have a quick access to that particular site, that particular commentary that I just looked for. And again, I'm over here. Here's the one I just had, and here's the new one. And so the videos will teach you things like how to link these together. If I link this and link here, link this, then as I'm going through here, it will automatically link over here to John or to Luke, or I'm over to Luke now, and it's already tying in those particular passages. So this is a big help to you, and I hope it'll be a help to you as you go through. Again, those are things you'll learn as you go through the videos. So I've showed you how to sign in, and I've showed you how to access Logos through the web source. And there are other things that you need to know, but hopefully the videos will help you do that. I'll be posting some things as we go along. Right now, your first assignment for this week is just to get to the point where you can actually get the Logos, sign in, and actually get to it, and watch those videos that you have assigned. All right, I hope this is a help to you, and I really believe this will be a blessing. God bless.